Hi, my name's Ian and I'm the owner of 3D Print Foundry. There are lots of videos and tutorials online about how you can make your own furnace and cast metal, but that's not for everyone. So I decided to build a metal casting foundry tailored to the owners of 3D printers. How does it work? You print a plastic pattern, get a quote from my website and send this pattern to me where I will cast it in a metal of your choice. I'll be posting weekly videos about what 3D Print Foundry has to offer and how you can increase your 3D printer's value by becoming a pattern maker. Some of the topics I'll cover include progress with the Foundry and workshop, how-to videos, pattern design, preparation, printing tips, and much more. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new videos, and thanks for watching.